Hello everyone, I'm Dev Durga from Computer Science and Engineering Department from Seth Institute of Technology. Here I'm now to present the topic on code refactoring techniques. The next slide is about the overview of my presentation. Is that what's refactoring, why refactoring, why refactoring myths, refactoring workflows, refactoring principles, refactoring techniques, refactoring tools, and finally the conclusion of my topic. Slide is about what is refactoring. Refactoring is nothing but the act of living else and changing for the better, said by Watt Cunningham. The amelioration pattern. L is nothing but software wrote factors such as rigidity, fragility, needless complexity, and toxicity. This slide is about what is code refactoring. Refactoring is the process of changing a software system in such a way that it does not alter the external behavior of a code, yet it improves its internal structure. Refactoring, the design of existing code, said by Martin Fowler in 1999. Refactoring is a disciplined technique for restructuring an existing body of code, altering the internal structure without changing its external behavior. The next slide is about why refactoring. What's the purpose of refactoring? It's all about the programs must be written for people to read and only incidentally to execute. By the famous author Abelson and Zisman is said by that. Refactoring makes code adaptable to change. The main purpose of refactoring is that keep code focused, improving the clarity and readability of the code, remove the unclear or otherwise distracting boilerplates and code segments, restructuring the for clarity, helps to pay timely technical debt, leads to lightweight programmatic design, avoids the code rot. The next slide is about refactoring myths. Refactoring myths is nothing but if it isn't broken, don't fix it. So we don't need to refactoring. Then you add more features, you enhance the existing features, better infrastructure emerge, your competition change which results in changing your application system. The fact of that refactoring is that change is the only strongest force in software development. This slide is about refactoring principles. What are the principles that have worked in refactoring such that dry, agony, boy, solid principles? What are that made? Yeah, can we see that? Dry. Dear buy is nothing but do not repeat yourself. If nothing else, duplication in a single most enemy. You pick up for refactoring stage. That every single unambiguous, authoritative representation within a system. The other principles include agony. You ain't gonna need it. BOY is about Scott rule. Access solid principles which greatly helps with practice that's about the pair programming. The next slide is about refactoring techniques. There are three types of techniques which are included in refactoring, such as abstract focused, isolation focused, and code clarity focused. Now, what's abstract focused? It's nothing but encapsulation field. Force code to access the field getter and set methods. Generalized type. Create more general types to allow for more code sharing. Replace type. Check code within state or strategy and also replace with polymorphism. The next technique is about an isolation focused. It's the nothing but the extract class and extract method which includes it. Extract class which moves a part of code from existing class into new class. Extract method it's to turn part of larger method into new method. The next slide is about a code clarity focused. The last technique is that move method or move field. Move to a more appropriate class or source file. Rename the method or file. Change name into one new or one that better reveals its purpose. Flip Move to a superclass, push down, move to a subclass, then 32. The next slide is about refactoring tools. There are two uses of refactoring tools for .NET and for .java. For .NET, we have used a Visual Studio integrated development environment and Raspberry by JetBrains, Code Rust by DevExpress, Just Code by Telri28 for .NET. And for the Java, Eclipse IDE and the JRefactory we have used for that integrative development environment. At the end of our conclusion, refactoring is a continuous activity on the path of development workflow. Re-engineering is not equal to an refactoring techniques. It needs unit plus integration just to verify external behavior of the code. Refactoring tools are helpful but mandatory. Refactoring techniques are better visualized with refactoring thumbnails and evolution clarity. Refactoring clean code, the faster delivery to the to lead to an happy customer. And it I have seen for the reference to make that presentation is that Wikipedia, defective pages, and book for improved design code. And thank you.